Hello and welcome to section 4.1, the first section in chapter 4, which is about ratios. So what is a ratio? A ratio. It's a fraction, or can be written as a fraction, where the first number in the ratio is the numerator and the second number in the ratio is denominator. So let me just quickly go over different ways that you might see a ratio. So A to B is one way to express a ratio. Another way would be A and then these colon and then B and then finally A over B. Okay, so you can express a ratio in these three different ways. So for example, here it says express the ratio of 16 to 4 as a fraction in lowest terms. So the first number is 16, so that goes in the numerator, 4 is in the denominator, and then when you simplify that, that just becomes 4. Okay, because 16 divided by 4 is 4. Alright, let's continue. Super fun example. Oh, let's do this one. So give the ratio of 2/3 to 4/9 as a fraction in lowest terms. And you might think to yourself, whoa, what is this? You can do two things. So remember that the fraction bar can also indicate division, right? Top divided by the bottom. So we can rewrite this equation, or this, this fraction in this other way. So 2/3 divided by 4/9. Okay? So what that, we know how to solve this. This is from last time. Keep, change, flip, right? Okay? So then 3 goes into itself once, 3 goes into 9 3 times, 2 goes into itself once, 2 goes into 4 2 times, 3 multiplying across the top, 1 times 3 is 3, and on the bottom 1 times 2 is 2, so this is 3/2, and that is it. Okay. Let's do an even more fun example. Let's write the ratio of 0.08 to 0.12 as a fraction in lowest terms, right? So you're basically saying, okay, 0.08 over 0.12. Okay. Now these are both hundredths, right? There's 8 hundredths and 12 hundredths. So if I multiply top and bottom by 100, I'm not really changing the value of the entire fraction, but I'm going to simplify this because this is 8 hundredths times 100. That's just going to be 8 on the top. 12 hundredths times 100 will just give me 12. And now this I can reduce by 4, divide top and bottom by 4, and I get 2/3. Okay? So we multiplied by 100, and then we divided by 4 to get 2/3. Alright, during a game, here's an application. A basketball player makes 12 out of 18 free throws that he attempts. Write the ratio of the number of free throws he makes to the number of free throws he attempts as a fraction in lowest terms. So he makes 12 out of 18. Okay? So if I divide top and bottom by 6, I get 2/3. Okay? So that's it. Another 2/3. Interesting. Okay, super fun other example. A solution of alcohol and water contains 15 milliliters of water and 5 milliliters of alcohol. Find the ratio of alcohol to water. Okay, so alcohol is 5 milliliters, 15 milliliters of water. So ratio of alcohol to water. Then it wants the ratio of water to alcohol. Water to alcohol. So then water to total solution. And then alcohol to total solution. So this question actually has 4 things. It's asking for 4 things in once. So alcohol to water. So you have 5 to 15, which is written as 5 over 15, which can be reduced to, you guessed it, 1/3. Okay? Now water to alcohol is 15 to 5, so 15 over 5. Well, that just simplifies to become 3. Okay? Now, water to total solution. Total solution is 20 milliliters, okay? So you have 15 to 20, and divide top and bottom by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5, you get 3 over 4, okay? And then alcohol to total solution is 5 to 20, and if I divide top and bottom by 5, I get 1/4, okay? So that is it for this one. And I guess that's it for section 4.1. Your super fun homework is 1 through 25 on. Don't forget, you can check your solutions in the back of the book, and you can always send me a message if you get stuck on anything. Okay, I will see you on the next video.